Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: let A, B, C complex numbers satisfying the system of equations A by A over B plus C plus B over C plus A plus C over A plus B equal to 9. A square over B plus C plus B square over C plus A plus C square over A plus B is 32. A cube over B plus C plus B cube over C plus A plus C cube over A plus B is 122. He is asking to find the value of A, B, C. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting pause the video and try it on. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So any easy methods are there? Any suggestions are there? You can comment in the comment box, and any easy methods are there, you can give the ideas also. So here how to solve this problem. So here numerator denominators are given. So here the method is the logic is multiply the first one by A plus B plus C on both sides. So here you have to multiply A value A plus B plus C on both sides. So what you'll get now? A plus B plus C into A by B plus C plus B by C plus A plus C by A plus B is equal to 9 into A plus B plus C. Now if you multiply this, so here you'll get A into A by B plus C plus AB into C plus A plus AC into A plus B. If you multiply with A, you will get this one. Now if you multiply with B, AB of B plus C plus B square by C plus A plus BC by A plus B. If you multiply with B, you will get these three terms. Next, if you multiply with C, CA by B plus C plus here only I am writing CB by C plus A plus the last one you are getting here C square by A plus B. Okay. Now here you will get A square by B plus C. Here you will get B square by C plus A, and the last one is C square by A plus B. Now here I am going to take common. So here denominator C plus A, here also the denominator is C plus A. So here AB plus CB by C plus A plus I am taking the denominator A plus B A plus B A plus B here, A plus B here. So AC plus BC by A plus B. Next I am taking the denominator B plus C, B plus C, B plus C, AB, AB plus CA by B plus C. Okay, the RHS you will write afterwards. So now here A square by B plus C plus B square by C plus A plus C square by A plus B. Here you can take A B common, C plus A by C plus A. Here you can take C common, A plus B by A plus B. Here you can take A common, B plus C by B plus C. So you can cancel these values. So what is left now? These values I am writing first. A plus B plus C plus A square by B plus C plus B square by C plus A plus C square by A plus B. RHS I am writing 9 into A plus B plus C. Here RHS I am writing here. Now we know this value. This value is 32. In the problem it is given 32. The value is 32. Second equation. Now if you take that value, A plus B plus C plus 32 is equal to 9 of A plus B plus C. Now send this A plus B plus C that side. 32 is equal to 9A plus B plus C minus of A plus B plus C. 32 is equal to 8 of A plus B plus C. Therefore, A plus B plus C value is 32 by 8. We are getting 4. A plus B plus value got 4. Now similarly multiply A plus B plus C for second equation. Multiply A plus B plus C with second equation. So what is the second equation? Here you are getting A plus B plus C into A square by B plus C plus B square by C plus A plus C square by A plus B is equal to 32 of A plus B plus C. So if you multiply this, here you are getting A square plus B square plus C square. Like this only you have to multiply what you have done above, plus A cube by B plus C plus B cube by C plus A plus C cube by A plus B is equal to 32 into 4. The value is 32 into 4. Already you know the value of this. The value of this is 122. a square plus b square plus c square plus 122 is equal to 128. So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 6. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 6. Now from these two values, a plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus a square b square c square by 2. We are having the identity ab plus bc plus ca. So here this will get 4 square minus 6 by 2. 4 square minus 6, 16 minus 6 by 2, 10 by 2, you are getting 5. So these values will be useful in the next steps. Okay, this is the values you are getting. One is a plus b plus c is equal to 4. Second one is a square b square c square is equal to 6. And the third one is AB, BC, CA is equal to 5. Okay, next A plus B plus C is equal to 4. From this you can write B plus C is equal to 4 minus A, C plus A is equal to 4 minus B, and A plus B is equal to 4 minus C. So replace these values in 1. Replace these values in 1. What is 1? A by B plus C plus B by C plus A plus C by A plus B is equal to 9. So if you replace the values here, A by 4 minus A plus B by 4 minus B plus C by 4 minus C is equal to 9. Now if you take LCM, what will get? A into 4 minus B into 4 minus C plus B into 4 minus A into 4 minus C plus C into 4 minus A into 4 minus B is equal to 9 into 4 minus A, 4 minus B, 4 minus C. Now if you multiply these values, so here what will get? A into 16 minus 4B minus 4C plus BC, B into 16 minus 4A minus 4C plus AC plus C into 16 minus 4A minus 4B plus AB is equal to 9 into, here you'll get 64 minus 16 into A plus B plus C plus 4 into AB plus BC plus CA minus ABC. So if you multiply the product, you will get this. Now LHS will get 16A minus 4ab minus 4ac plus abc. Down I am writing plus 16b minus 4ab minus 4bc plus abc plus 16c minus 4ac minus 4ab plus abc. This is LHS. RHS already have written 9 into 64 minus 16a plus b plus c plus 4 into ab plus bc plus ca minus abc. Now here if you take common, what will get 3abc plus 16 into a plus b plus c minus 8 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to RHS. Now we will substitute the values here. So we don't know what is ABC value. We have to find ABC value. 16a plus b plus c value is 4 minus 8 into ab plus bc plus ca value is 5 is equal to 9 into 64 minus 16 into a plus b plus c value is 4 plus 4 into ab plus bc plus ca value is 5 minus abc. So here 3abc plus 64 minus 40, 9 into 64 minus 64 plus 20 minus abc. So here what will get 3abc plus 24 is equal to these two get cancelled, 180 minus 9 abc. So here 12 abc is equal to 180 minus 24, abc is equal to 156 by 12, we are getting 30 now. So therefore the value of abc is 13. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.